What if tomorrow morning your compass pointed south instead of north? What if the invisible shield that protects Earth suddenly flipped upside down? Would planes fall from the sky? Would animals lose their way? Would we survive? Today, I'll explain what would really happen. In simple words, no complicated science, so even a 10-year-old can understand. And before we flip the planet upside down, subscribe to Thinkverse. It costs nothing, but it gives me inspiration to create more mind-bending content like this for you. Now, let's imagine tomorrow. The Earth has something called a magnetic field. Think of it like a giant invisible bubble around our planet. It stretches nearly 60,000 kilometers into space. Its job? It protects us from harmful solar radiation, dangerous charged particles from the sun traveling at over 1 million miles per hour. Without this shield, Earth would slowly lose its atmosphere, like Mars. But here's the twist. This magnetic field has flipped before. Scientists say it has reversed around 180 times in the last 83 million years. The last major flip happened about 780,000 years ago. So what if it flipped again? Tomorrow. Surprisingly, the Earth wouldn't instantly explode. Gravity wouldn't change, oceans wouldn't spill out, but compasses everywhere would spin wildly. Airplanes and ships that rely on magnetic navigation would need recalibration. Satellites? Some could malfunction. Because during a flip, the magnetic field becomes weaker, possibly dropping to 10 to 20% of its normal strength. That means more solar radiation could leak through. Here's where things get serious. If a strong solar storm hit during the flip, power grids could fail, GPS systems could go offline, communication networks could collapse, high-altitude flights might be grounded. In 1989, a solar storm caused a blackout in Canada that left 6 million people without power for 9 hours. Now imagine that. But worse. Some scientists estimate modern global damage from a severe solar storm could reach $1.2 trillion. Birds, sea turtles, whales. Many animals use Earth's magnetic field like a built-in Jeeps. During a flip, migration patterns could become confused. But remember, magnetic reversals in the past did not cause mass extinctions. Life adapted. Nature found a way. Now here's the unexpected benefit. A magnetic flip could teach humanity something powerful: preparedness. We would strengthen power grids, shield satellites better, improve solar storm prediction, build stronger global cooperation. Sometimes a planetary scare makes us smarter, but here's the downside. If the magnetic field stayed weak for hundreds of years, which has happened before, radiation exposure could slightly increase cancer risks and damage satellite infrastructure long-term. Auroras, the northern lights, would appear near the equator. Beautiful, but also a warning sign that our shield is thin. Here's the most important fact. A magnetic flip does not happen overnight. It usually takes 1,000 to 10,000 years. So tomorrow, very unlikely. But someday, almost guaranteed, because Earth's core is constantly moving, like a churning ocean of molten metal 3,000 kilometers beneath your feet. And it has a history of changing its mind. So if you woke up tomorrow and compasses pointed south, it wouldn't be the end of the world, but it would be the beginning of a new chapter for humanity. A test of technology, a test of preparation, a test of unity. If this video made you see our invisible shield differently, imagine what other hidden forces shape our universe. Within the next 7 days, I'll bring you another mind-expanding scenario that will completely change how you see reality. And don't miss our upcoming What If short. What if the universe began in a state of high entropy instead of the low entropy observed during the Big Bang? Trust me, that one will twist your brain in under 60 seconds. If you've stayed with me this far, you're officially a Thinkverse explorer. So like this video, share it with someone who loves space, comment what you think would happen, and subscribe to Thinkverse, because the next universe-bending idea is just one video away.